Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Untarnished. I'm going to be showing you how to beat the fire furnace golems easy. So this is something that I've tried on a couple of golems and it has worked marvelously. So for first of all, we are going to be needing the pest thread spears. This is something you can get in the Rao ruins. You can get it somewhere around before the Church of God here. If you don't know how to do that, you can search YouTube for a video on how to get that. Also, we are going to be using these talismans. We are going to be using Shadow of Alexander. You're going to be using dragon icon to shorten spell casting time. You're going to be using rotten wing insignia to raise attack with successful attacks, and then we're going to be using floor canvas talisman to raise potency of incantations. You can use any armor you want, it doesn't matter. And this is not blood. I just use it smart because I'm used to it. And yeah, you want to use any seal of your choice. For this, I'm going to be using the dragon communion seal, and we are going to be using spells such as golden vow and flame granting strength, which stacks together to improve our attack. So you are just going to like, and another thing you can do is you can make your wanderer's physic with the unlimited FP for a short while. That is going to really help you for this fight. It will only take maybe maximum of 1 minute to kill this giant, so I'm going to show you guys how easy this is, so bear with me. I fucked up up there, but it doesn't matter. We still got it. So this is where the wonder physic unlimited FP comes in. So if you are using that, it's going to like make sure that your FP doesn't go down because it's advanced. So now you need to change your weapon and look for his face. Change your weapon back. Okay. Yep, that's it, guys. It took me less than 2 minutes to get that done.